Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making sure the car is parked and the ignition is in ACC or on. You should not be driving while adjusting settings. Next, locate whether your Swift Vxi uses the central infotainment screen or the instrument cluster menu. Manufacturers vary by year. Once you find menu or settings, be ready to use the knob, touchscreen, or steering stalk buttons to enter system settings. This is the earliest actionable move because it opens the clock configuration options you need. Once inside clock or date and time, you'll see format and time fields. Set the 12 or 24-hour format first so hours change correctly. Use the +/- controls or touchscreen digits to advance hours, then minutes. Some models let you press and hold to spin faster, which saves time. Make sure to confirm each change with OK or Save. If there's a separate daylight saving or GMT offset option, apply that now. You're doing the precise adjustments, so the displayed time matches real time. To complete the job, save settings and cycle the ignition off then back on to verify the clock holds the new time. Make sure the display matches your phone or a trusted clock. If the time resets after shutdown, suspect a weak 12V battery, a blown fuse for the infotainment or instrument module, or corrupted software. As a troubleshooting tip, if resets persist, record when it fails and bring the car to a dealer. Module reprogramming or a replacement unit is often required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.